Hey guys, this is Anthea Isaac. Hope you're all doing great and staying safe. Yes, it's been a very long time since I posted my last video, but it was a bumpy ride. But I'm thankful that you guys stayed patient with me and were waiting for my videos to pop up anytime in my channel. So, thank you so much. I'm still trying to be as consistent as possible, and I do have plans in bringing up new content, new series, and do some extra things as well. So please stay here and keep rooting for me as I do a lot of new stuff. With that being said, let us move on to our very favorite 2 minutes for this week. This week, I wanted to talk about one of the most overrated terms, comparison, and mention how it poisons your life by stealing all your happiness. I'm sure most of you might have experienced this during your school days, or at least I did. I just want you to go back to those school days where paper distribution was a thing. Just realize how happy you would be while getting your paper and seeing those beautiful marks of yours. You might have performed really well in that paper, or you would have scored better than your previous performance. And you would be so happy, and that day would be the best day of your life. But until your friend receives her or his paper. When she or he receives her paper, you get so curious to know what the score is. And unfortunately, if it turns out to be a better score than yours, the whole day is doomed. Your happiness fuses in few seconds and the entire day becomes devastating. You don't even appreciate yourself for what you have scored. And in this situation, I'm not blaming anybody. It has become a system where our achievements and success can only be valued by comparing others. Sooner or later, our life entirely depends on comparison. Trust me, comparison has been too poisonous in my life that it has even stopped me from doing what I really love. So today, together, I want us to get rid of this practice of comparing despite it being inevitable. I have always seen people talking about avoiding social media or avoiding people that make you want to compare yourself with. But it is kind of inevitable when social media or people have become the only source of your business or your lifestyle. So, here is something that I have been practicing for myself, and I would like to suggest it for you as well. Whenever I see other creators do greater things or achieve greater stuff than me, my immediate instinct wants me to compare myself with them. But during the process, I keep telling myself to empathize with the person. I try to acknowledge their hard work and appreciate their work for what they are. It is true that we all work hard for achieving what we want, and the other person is getting all those achievements because they have worked hard as well. This practice also leads to the second point that I'm going to tell. Be confident in your promises. Have that affirmation that you're gonna do greater things because you have been working hard as well. I trust in God's plan and God's promises. Of course, I do derail at times, but I make sure to keep repeating it in my mind. So I want you to do the same. Just tell yourself that there is a promise for you and it is gonna happen for you. You don't have to compare it with others or feel bad that you haven't done those yet. Hard work definitely pays off. When you're giving your best and working hard, they will pay off as well. So today, let us make an affirmation to stay empathetic to our competitors and appreciate them for their hard work so we don't end up comparing ourselves with others and embrace ourselves for the uniqueness we have. Thank you. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's new content. I know it was quite long because it was a self reflective message that I wanted to give you all. So I have been reflecting a lot on this. So it's been a long break. So I wanted to give a personal note from my side. So hope you enjoyed the content of today, and if you feel that your friends or your relation need to listen to this content, make sure to send them, share this good news, and do make sure to comment your thoughts and subscribe, even like my video please, that would mean a lot. On a quick note, I would also want to give a shout out to my new venture, that is, I am hosting a public speaking course. It's a 1 week course, online course for students from age of 12 to 16. So I am planning a lot of things. So if you have niece, nephew, kids, friends, whoever it might be, if they are interested in public speaking, do let them know about me and the course. So, thank you so much once again. Hope to meet you all the next week with another amazing content. Until then, stay home, stay safe, spread love, and be loved. This is Anthea Isaac. Bye.